Frustrated by the client module DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. To begin the walkthrough for client module, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the client module, the primary client-side execution module for the source engine used in titles like Half-Life 2 and Garry's mod. It contains core gameplay logic, prediction systems, and physics hooks. If corrupted, games may fail with errors such as could not load library Client.dll, often caused by corrupted caches or incompatible mods. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This problem is usually rooted in a missing graphics or compute runtime dependency. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore the legacy DirectX architecture, then update your graphics drivers to ensure all hardware-related files for client module DLL are stable. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the client module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. A quick warning, many sites offering client module DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and client module synchronization. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix client module. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.